Hi, Stormy. What do you want?
Sunny, is that any way to talk to your dear sister? We haven't talked to each other in forever, after all. How have you been?
A lot happier before I answered the phone.
Oh, Sunny, you're such a kidder. So, I heard through the grapevine that you're co-anchor now. Congratulations.
Yeah, whatever. Thanks, Stormy.
Look at us, two news anchors in the same family. Isn't that special? Who knows, maybe one day you'll get a News Excellence Award just like your big sis.
Ugh, yes, Stormy, I know all about the News Excellence Award. I know you have one.
Well, actually, I have 7 now. Sunny, if I didn't know any better, I'd think you weren't excited to talk to me.
Gee, I wonder why that might be. Might have something to do with the fact that you only call me to rub in your own accomplishments. You can never let me have something I can be happy about, can you?
Oh, Sunny, don't be so sensitive all the time. I just wanted to have a friendly chat. I love you, Sunny. I just want to be your friend. Perhaps if you weren't so aggressive, you'd actually have friends.
Well, sis, I'd love to stay here and get lectured by you all day, but I actually have some important work to do. This was a fun chat we had. Let's do this again. Never. Bye!